गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि।
नवरात्रि की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आप सभी को। नवरात्रि एक ऐसा त्यौहार जहां हम माँ के 9 रूपों की पूजा करते हैं। अलग अलग क्षेत्र में इसे अलग अलग तरीके से मनाया जाता है, पर हमारे देश के हर त्यौहार की तरह ये भी एक ऐसा त्यौहार है जहां जश्न का माहौल बनता है और हम सबको एक साथ लेकर आता है। बस ऐसी ही खुशी के साथ ट्रू फ्लो भी आप सबका स्वागत करता है। 2020 एक विचित्र साल रहा है ना? 2020, a surprising year to say the least. A year when meetings became emails, emails became WhatsApp texts, and team outings became Zoom calls. Coronavirus has pressed the reset button to the universe. The world is changing. The consumers are changing. The industry is changing. And we at True Flow by Hindware are changing with them. My role as an anchor has changed too. I have stepped down from the physical stage and taken the virtual stage to be with all of you. Namaste, my name is Khyati Kawa and I am your host for the day. कोविड ने हमें लॉकडाउन में ज़रूर रखा, लेकिन हमारी जिंदा दिली ह्यूमन स्पिरिट को नहीं। वी आर लाइव एंड अलाइव। जी हाँ, हम आमने सामने नहीं मिल पा रहे, लेकिन ये तो कोई वजह नहीं हुई कि हम आपकी मेहनत, आपके काम और आपके साथ को सेलिब्रेट ना करें। तो आइए, इस नई डिजिटल दुनिया में आपका स्वागत है। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, ट्रू फ्लो बाय हिंडवेयर इज बिल्ट ऑन अ लेगेसी ऑफ एक्सीलेंस, कमिटमेंट एंड इनोवेशन. Hindware, the flagship brand, is the best and first to bring fine vitreous China sanitary ware to the Indian consumers. Hindware's pursuit to provide complete bathroom solutions is strengthened by TrueFlow. Since inception, Hindware's pursuit of excellence has manifested in the wide range of pristine ceramic bathroom fixtures such as water closets, bidets, wash basins, and urinals. Series of tech-smart taps and faucets, tiles, extractor fans, wellness products, and kitchen appliances that stand testament of its growth and commitment. Before we move forward, let us take you through the video to know more about TrueFlow.
Over the decades, the flagship brand Hindware has emerged as a leading Indian sanitary ware and faucet brand driven by constant innovation. From being the first to bring fine vitreous China sanitary ware to the Indian consumers to providing complete bathroom solutions, the brand has grown from strength to strength and over the years has continued its efforts in the pursuit of excellence. In the year 2018, the company entered into the synergic domain of PVC pipes and fittings under the brand name TrueFlow. TrueFlow launched its comprehensive range of CPVC, UPVC, SWR and PVC pipes and fittings in the initial year itself. And today, TrueFlow reaffirms the commitment of Hindware that has been built over 6 decades. The TrueFlow range of pipes and fittings are manufactured at an expansive, state-of-the-art, completely automated plant spread across 20 acres. The facility is an IGBC Platinum rated green factory and the manufacturing process is Greenco Platinum rated by CII. TrueFlow has already made its mark amongst the leading brands with its benchmarking quality, a retail network spread across the nation and overwhelming acceptance by the plumbing fraternity. A testimony for the same is the fact that it achieved a gross revenue of more than 300 crore in the first financial year itself. The TrueFlow pipe is a technically strong product developed at a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. The complete conversion of raw material to finished product is automated with minimal human intervention. The compounding process is completely controlled by the software SCADA, and the manufacturing process is through a system-operated extrusion and injection molding technique. We at TrueFlow value our legacy of trust and commitment, and in the same pursuit assure you of only the best products and solutions.
TrueFlow reaffirms the commitment of Hindware that has been built over the last 60 years now. We at TrueFlow have been providing the best quality plumbing solutions with complete range from day one. Continuing a pursuit for quality, today we gather here to witness the introduction of our latest offering made with the same commitment. With our sanitary ware range, we have been in front of the wall. With the plumbing range, we went behind the wall, and now here we are venturing and offering more. और अब आगे बढ़ने से पहले बिजनेस और नई ऑफरिंग्स के बारे में बताने के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूँगी हमारे चेयरमैन एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर श्री संदीप सोमानी जी को, जो कि एक एक्स प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन चेंबर्स ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री रह चुके हैं. In the past, Mr. Somani has held many leadership positions, including that of President of PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry and President of International Chamber of Commerce India Chapter, headquartered in Paris. He was also the chairman of Indian Council of Sanitary Ware Manufacturers and a member of the Executive Committee of Governing Council of All India Glass Manufacturers Associations. तो आइए आप सबकी वर्चुअल तालियों के बीच बुलाते हैं श्री संदीप सोमानी जी को. A very warm welcome, sir.
Hindware has a 60 years of legacy of quality and growth through its diverse business interests from sanitaryware, faucets, glass, plastics, pipes, etc. As a group, we remain a growing, agile and profitable organization. In spite of the pandemic in March, we have grown and garnered more than 3,200 crores in revenue across all our group companies put together. While we have diversified portfolio of products through various brands, all the brands have a common goal: to offer world-class products. Today the consumer is discerning, and we are committed to innovate and truly offer them choices and products which make their lives better. Even in our pipes business under the brand name TrueFlow, our journey is testimonial to the same. Hindware's foray into pipes as TrueFlow Pipes and Fittings began in 2018 with more than 1,000 SKUs launched on day one, a feat which has never been done by any other competitor anywhere. We have attained a turnover of more than 250 crore plus in the very first complete financial year itself. In the pipe business, we have a strategic partnership with Durastream from Sekisui, an $18 billion Japanese multinational. We have ensured a green factory with a production capacity of 30,000 metric tons and a green manufacturing process. Both the factory and the process are completely green and environmentally friendly. In fact, in the entire plastic pipe industry, we are the first company to have got platinum certification, which means that we not only care about the brand and the products, but we also deeply care about the environment. Today we go through the COVID-19 pandemic, and uncertainty prevails in the business environment, and even the national economy has significantly slowed down. It is a testing time for our resilience as individuals and as organizations. We are being agile and strong and continue to innovate even in these dark moments. We are not deterred or overwhelmed by the pandemic. In spite of the crisis, we have confidence and strength to introduce a new product category, TrueFlow column pipes for borewell application. The product is a masterpiece, and trade partners have started showing affinity to the product because of the quality and existing trust on the brand. We also have a unique patent for this product. Moving ahead, we continue to use our brand strength and enhance the portfolio with consumer-driven product innovation and develop new generation of products with clear proposition. Now we are introducing water tanks. It is in synergy with our existing range of products. This category largely offers local brands and manufacturers with compromised quality. Only a few organized players offer acceptable quality, and hence the category offers a great scope for trustworthy brands like us to fill the gap with good quality products. We are starting by introducing these products in North India, and based on the learnings we would expand to other parts. Since it is a logistics heavy category, ultimately we will have multiple factories across India. The product is made with best quality of raw material and high precision molds. Our commitment to quality would stay undeterred. We are innovating by introducing antibacterial products from day one. This will provide one more opportunity for our existing trade partners to add to their offerings, thereby enhancing their revenue stream. And for the channel partners already dealing in this category, they will now get an opportunity to upgrade to better product offering. As we move forward, we thank you for your trust in our brand. We value the association and look forward to mutually expand and deepen our ties. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Somani, for those encouraging words. I request you to come back on the screen for the launch sequence of our new product range. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the new product launch that we are about to showcase on your screens.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
Preview.
Now I request our CEO, a remarkable leader with rich industry experience, Shri Rajesh Pajnuji, to step onto the screen and let us hear from him a little more about the product range.
गुड इवनिंग लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। आप सबको राजेश पजनू का प्यार भरा नमस्कार। दोस्तों, मेरी एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली, हम काफ़ी बुरे दौर से गुज़र रहे हैं। ये पैंडेमिक का टाइम हम सब के लिए काफ़ी हावी रहा और चल भी रहा है। I expect that all of you are taking good care of yourself and your families too. And with this, as we say, we have to move on. And so here we are. जीना भी है, अपना ध्यान भी रखना है। पिछले 2 साल की जर्नी दोस्तों बड़ी प्यारी रही। आप लोगों ने जो स्नेह, जो प्यार ट्रूफ्लो ब्रांड को दिया है, वो काबिल तारीफ़ है। We have grown so well last 2 years that we have created a history. मुझे याद आता है वो दिन जिस दिन हमने लॉन्च किया था, and you all were there. We started with 1000 SKUs. और आप लोगों के सुझाव से, आप लोगों के सजेशन से, we have almost added more than 300 SKUs in the last 2 years. And we are growing. आप लोगों का साथ जो रहा वो काबिल तारीफ़ था, बढ़िया था। इस दौरान हमने ऐसे इनिशिएटिव लिए, वी थॉट ऑफ टेकिंग केयर ऑफ मदर अर्थ ऑल्सो, सो वी वेंट ऑन एंड started a journey for the green initiative. The building, the factory where from your products come is a platinum rated green building by IGBC. Once that was over, we took up the initiative of a green factory. So this factory is a platinum rated green factory. This factory becomes the first premise in the whole country in the plastic industry to have these 2 certifications. Kudos to you all for accepting this product. and in the pursuit of our continuous upgradation, new products, innovations. दोस्तों 4 महीने पहले 4 months back we have launched column pipe for borewell applications, which has again kicked off very well. Good response from the market, and we are growing. And now again after pandemic, we are here with you on your demand, on your suggestion. We are launching water storage tanks. During this pandemic time, we have taken utmost care to bring out a very good design tank. It should be a world-class tank. We are coming in all the variants of the tanks. We are offering you from 500 liters to 5,000 liters capacity. We are coming up with a 3-layer tank, with a 3-layer plus tank, and a 4-layer tank which has an insulation inside. My dear friends, the love and affection you have given us last 2 years, I trust, I believe, इस प्रोडक्ट में भी आप हमारा साथ देंगे. ये आपके नेचुरल एक्सटेंशन का प्रोडक्ट है, ये आपके नेटवर्क का प्रोडक्ट है. आप इसमें ऑलरेडी हैं, अब हम आपको एक बेहतर प्रोडक्ट दे रहे हैं. I hope you will bless us with this product also, and we assure you of our utmost quality and timely services from our side. Please take utmost care of your families, stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind, Jai Hindware.
इतना अच्छा लगा सुन के कि हम सिर्फ हमारे कस्टमर्स का ही नहीं लेकिन मदर अर्थ, इस प्लैनेट का भी ख्याल रख रहे हैं थ्रू आवर ग्रीन इनिशिएटिव्स. Ladies and gentlemen, now you know TrueFlow has brought to you the best water storage tanks. When it is TrueFlow, it is bound to be durable and strong. But what is even more reassuring is that today, with hygiene being a key priority, TrueFlow water tanks come with antimicrobial treatment with silver ion technology. The tanks are food grade compliant and do not have heavy metal concentration. Now consumers will have a choice to choose from 3 varieties of tanks: Dura, Dura Plus and DuraCool. Especially the DuraCool is so awesome. It comes in 4 layers with insulation puff. This keeps the water temperature comparatively cooler even when the outside temperature is high. Garmi mein pani kam garm hoga. For any further queries regarding tanks, you can leave the message in our chat window with your number and we will revert back to you. Now that we are close to the end of the show, I'm sure आप सब ने already plans बना लिए होंगे tanks को अपने shops में add करने के लिए. किसी भी और जानकारी के लिए या ऑर्डर बुकिंग्स के लिए यू कैन कनेक्ट विद आवर टीम मेंबर्स. हम आशा करते हैं कि आप हमारे नए प्रोडक्ट्स को भी उतना ही प्यार और सपोर्ट देंगे जितना कि आप हमारे बाकी प्रोडक्ट्स को देते आए हैं. एंड लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, टू कंक्लूड दिस इवनिंग मैं बुलाना चाहूँगी हमारे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग श्री अतुल पनवर जी को टू डिलीवर द वोट ऑफ थैंक्स. अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम सर.
नमस्कार. आज के इस इवेंट को कंक्लूड करने से पहले मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा हमारे चेयरमैन एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर श्री संदीप सोमानी सर का, जिनकी निरंतर सोच, इच्छा व कमिटमेंट कि हम ब्रांड हिंदवेयर को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट के माध्यम से ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुँचाएं और उनके जीवन में बदलाव ला सकें. मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा श्री राजेश पजनू सर का, जो कि CEO हैं हमारे TrueFlow बाय हिंदवेयर पाइप्स बिजनेस के. उनके पीढ़ अनुभव, सूझबूझ व निरंतर मार्गदर्शन की वजह से ही हम इतने कम समय में इस ब्रांड TrueFlow को हम यहाँ तक ला पाए हैं. धन्यवाद के पात्र आप सब लोग भी हैं, हमारे कस्टमर्स जो पिछले 60 साल से निरंतर हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स को घर घर तक पहुँचाते हैं. मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ दोबारा से आप सभी लोगों का जिन्होंने हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स को इस तरह से सपोर्ट किया हुआ है, और आशा करता हूँ कि आप हमारे इस नए प्रोडक्ट को TrueFlow बाय हिंदवेयर वाटर स्टोरेज टैंक को भी वही सपोर्ट देंगे जो आपने हमारे बाकी के सभी अन्य प्रोडक्ट्स को दिया हुआ है. मैं अपनी पूरी टीम की तरफ से जिनके एक आमंत्रण पर आप इस शाम को इस प्रोग्राम में हमारी उत्साह बढ़ाने के लिए हाजिर हुए, फिर से आपका शुक्रगुजार हूँ। और अपने बाकी सभी साथी, खासकर मार्केटिंग की टीम जिन्होंने इस शाम की इस प्रोग्राम को अंजाम दिया हुआ है, धन्यवाद करता हूँ आपका। नमस्कार।